Summer's here and you can feel it in the air, can't you? Families are packing up for road trips. Passports are getting dusted off. And if you live here in Chicago like I do, the traffic suddenly becomes magical. You actually get to work on time. It's a miracle. But let's be honest. For those of us on the carnivore lifestyle, travel can feel like entering enemy territory. Food courts, airport snacks, Aunt Sharon's macaroni casserole. It's a metabolic minefield out there. So today I want to equip you with the tools, the mindset, and the menu to survive traveling while staying true to your healing path. You've done the hard part. You've healed your body. Maybe you've reversed your diabetes, improved your mental clarity, calmed your gut. You've seen the light. Now you're going on a cruise or to a family reunion or to the Caribbean. And suddenly you're wondering, can I actually do carnivore on the go without losing my mind or my bowels? Yes, you can. But first, we need to have a little heart-to-heart. Before you even zip that suitcase, you need to answer this question. Are you someone who can afford to go off plan, even just a little? Let me break it down like a doctor would. Don't deviate if you have epilepsy or seizure disorders, cancer being managed with keto or carnivore, major health issues like bipolar or severe depression, autoimmune conditions prone to flares like Crohn's, rheumatoid arthritis, or lupus, gut disorders like I suffer from like IBS or inflammatory bowel disease, a history of food addiction, binge eating, or disordered eating. These folks are like metabolic tightrope walkers. A slip could mean weeks of fallout. Maybe you can flex if you're metabolically healthy and just doing carnivore for energy, weight maintenance, or gut calm. You're past the adaptation phase. You know how to stop at one bite. And I mean actually stop, not start again on Monday stop. So ask yourself, what happens to me if I deviate? For me, innocent looking dressing my mom makes is a one-way ticket to an irritable bowel flare. That's not the souvenir I want from vacation. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. What do carnivore travelers pack? Here's what I bring or recommend to patients. Things like beef jerky. Look for 0 sugar, minimum seasoning. Canned sardines or salmon. Easy to pack. TSA approved. Hard-boiled eggs. Carry in a cooler bag and keep the shell on. And who wants eggs without bacon? So we have pre-cooked bacon as well. Pork or chicken rinds or even carnivore crisps. Electrolyte packs like Element or Keto Chow. Butter or tallow sticks in a thermos. Yes, some people travel with fat. Pro tip, vacuum sealed meats are your best friend. TSA doesn't care if it looks like dog treats, as long as it's solid. Let's talk lodging. If you can, book an Airbnb with a kitchen or a hotel with a microwave and fridge. Call ahead if you have to. Why? Because freedom tastes like seared ribeye cooked in your own skillet. No hidden oils, no seed oils roulette, just meat, heat, and peace. I've had patients bring hot plates and even George Foreman grills in their carry-ons. Now, how they've managed to grill it in a hotel, that's for you to figure out. So don't wait until you're hangry in a strange city to think about food. Before your trip, pull out your phone and Google best steakhouse near whatever destination you're at. Find nearby grocery stores. Costco, Aldi, Whole Foods, our carnivore treasure chest. Check if there's a butcher shop in the area. Call the hotel and ask about their breakfast options. If you're going to a family reunion, call ahead and say, hey cousin, I'm doing a weird Dr. Meat thing right now. Can I bring my own food? They'll either respect you or think you've joined a meat cult, but they'll get over it. Here's how you survive restaurants. Say this with me. Can I just get the meat, please? Skip the sides. Ask for no sauce, no seasoning. Double or triple the protein. For example, 4 burger patties, no bun. Ask for bacon or eggs as sides instead of fries. If you're at a fancy restaurant, just smile and say, I'm keeping things simple. I'll take the grilled steak, no sides. And on cruises or resorts, head straight to the carving station. Grab the lamb, roast beef, fish. Skip the pasta. Walk past the dessert bar. You're not just feeding your body, you're protecting your brain, your energy, your progress. Vacations aren't a break from health. They're a chance to invest in your health. You just traded stress for sunshine. Don't trade steak or whatever your favorite animal protein is for sugar. And if you do slip, grace, not guilt. Get back on track the next meal. Fast a little, sip some bone broth, eat fatty meat, and move on. Believe it or not, When people see you order 3 steaks at dinner or decline your favorite aunt's peach cobbler, they'll be curious. Don't preach, just smile and say, I feel better eating this way. It changed my life. Then eat your meat with joy. That's the best testimony there is. And if someone wants to learn more, send them to this channel or hand them a pork rind and say, welcome to the tribe. And as it relates to airport food, go for plain eggs, bacon, burger patties, or fast until you land. Bring a cooler if driving. Fill it with all those foods you struggle to have on the road. Keep salt with you. Many carnivores get low sodium while traveling. Don't forget hydration. Just don't drink too late. You want to sleep through the night, not map every gas station bathroom. So yes, you can eat carnivore while traveling. You can go to Jamaica, to the mountains, on a cruise, to grandma's house, and still nourish your body like it deserves. It just takes one thing: intention. So remember, this isn't a diet, it's a commitment to your healing. So as you pack your suitcase, pack your why, and let that be stronger than any airport cinnamon roll or potluck potato salad. And if this helped you, drop a comment below. Tell me where you're traveling and what carnivore snack you're packing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the playlist for more carnivore survival tips, because food should fuel your freedom, not your flare-ups.